Okay, so I'm ready to start the front driver's side fender. What I'm going to do is take my slip solution, just going to spray the whole fender down. Just like so. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dry spot up here in this back corner so I can stick the film to. So I'm going to stick it right there. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the film up. I'm going to get my tack solution behind, or my slip solution, sorry. You do not want tack solution right now. Get my slip solution behind it. I'm going to make sure that the PPF is gliding properly. There we go. Got a bunch of slip solution over top of the film so my squeegee can glide properly. Now, I'm going to start over here in this top corner. Got a piece of dust right there. Got to get that out. So I'm going to start right over here in this top corner. So all I'm going to do, pull the film back, get some tack solution on the film. And I'm just going to squeegee that down. And then I'm going to come over here to this corner and do the exact same thing. All right. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to do the side camera, and then we're going to work all the way down to the very bottom. Okay, so right now, just to be extra cautious, you get more slip solution underneath there. Now all I'm going to do is to line this up. What I'm going to do to line this up is I'm just going to follow the film right along the edge of the panel right here. So I'm just going to pull the film back, get some tack solution in there, and I'm going to stretch that into place just like that, and I'm going to come all the way down the edge till there. That's done. That's good. So we got a lot of film popping up because of all the excess air underneath the film. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get this corner down right over here. So just going to pull the film back just enough I can get my tack solution in there, just like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch the film. Actually, I'm going to get some tack solution in here. I'm just going to stretch the film down behind this, below this side camera. Just like that. That's good. Now this big finger, this will be easy to get rid of. I'm going to deal with this top one though first. So finger over here, just going to saw that down with my squeegee just like this. Side to side motion, and that's going to be down. Now, I'm just going to lift this up. There we go. That's good. Now, I'm gonna get some tack solution in there. I'm actually gonna get this down just with my finger first. So I got my hot water tack solution. I'm just using my finger to get that down. I'm gonna hold that down for a bit, and I'm gonna follow up with the squeegee. Make sure that's down, and that is. Okay, that's good. Now, get everything else down here. Get more tack solution in there. There we go. Now before I continue on anywhere else, I can see that the film is popping up around the side camera, which is completely normal. All you're gonna wanna do then, just get your hot water tack solution in there and squeegee that down. If later on this area pops up, don't be alarmed. It is a high tension area. Just come along with a heat gun, give it just a little bit of heat, and it should stay down. Just like so. Okay, that's good. Now, I'm just gonna take and squeegee that down. Okay, that's good. Now we're good, all the way around that camera. Now we're gonna come down here. And we're gonna stretch the film, which is gonna require very little stretch. Get this corner down, get a little bit of tack solution in there. We're gonna tack that down, just like so. There we go. Now you see we have a finger over here. It's completely normal, nothing to worry about. All I'm gonna do is just gonna squeegee down along this edge, get that down. Just gonna pull my film back here. Just gonna get a good amount of tack solution in it. Now, this finger, don't be alarmed, just kind of lift the film up a little bit. Squeegee that down at an angle. There we go. We'll get more tack solution in there. And probably not seeing this properly with the camera being where it is. But all I'm doing is I'm just hitting this down at an angle to lock that film into place. Okay, that's good. Now, what I'm gonna do is just gonna come back up here. I'm gonna lift the film up. There we go. So now when you start working from the back of the fender to the front, the very first thing that you're gonna notice is, oh wow, this pattern is way too short. You may be thinking it's not cut properly because of this solid 1-inch gap that we have here. This is by design, so it's gonna have to be stretched into place. So all I like to do is just give it a bit of a stretch, like so. Stretch going back to front. Don't do what I just did. Should we have a piece of dust? So to stretch it, just lean into it like so. Line that up. I got a piece of contamination. There we go. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get some tack solution in here. stretch that into place, and you're going to hold it there for a little bit till you start to feel it stick. And you're going to squeegee that down. And that's perfect. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come along from this back edge, right along this body line. And you're going to want to squeegee that down a couple times. Just like so. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to stretch to the front over here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just going to get some tack solution underneath here. And come across and line that up just like so. And then we're going to come up over here. And we're just going to make sure that this is lined up properly all around the headlight. And it is. So we're just going to get that all squeegeed down, just like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start working back to front. So I got my squeegee at an angle. And we're pushing all this solution up and into the frunk area. And we're going to run squeegee right over this body line. Make sure we're not leaving any moisture behind, just like so. Always at an angle, so you're always pushing your slip solution out. Now, this area right over here is popping up. What all I'm going to do is got a little bit of tack solution in there. I'm just going to get that all squeegeed down. And we're going to flush this edge out. Just like so. There we go. Now we're going to worry about the bottom half over here. So all I'm going to do is pull the film up here. Just get a little bit of slip solution underneath it. More slip solution on top of the film. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to stretch this front corner over here. As you can see, the film, it's wanting to pull away. All we're going to have to do here is we're just going to have to angle and rotate the film. Now I'm going to come right along this edge, and I'm just going to squeegee that down. There we go. That's good. Now I'm going to do slight stretch to get this corner lined up down here. Just going to hold that in place with my thumb. I'm going to come from the top here, squeegee that down, and we're good to go right there. And that's perfect. Now I'm going to come back over here by the side camera, angle my squeegee down, all the remaining solution, we're going to pull it down out by the wheel. Now what I'm going to do, take my tack solution, we got this wrapped edge right here. I'm just going to pull it back, get my tack solution in here. Same thing we did with the hood is we are going to flush this out. And we're going to squeegee that down and out. just like so. So what we're gonna do, same thing we did with the hood, we're gonna let this edge dry out, and we're gonna let this edge dry out, and we're gonna continue on with our PPF install. Once our install is done, we're gonna come back to all these edges. They'll be completely dried out by then, and they'll be super easy to wrap. So I'm gonna have a link in the description below of this video on how to wrap the edges and how to properly prep the panels. So check those out.